At the end of the day, external opinions around you, and especially to each other, doesn't matter in general, especially to each other in general too. And I remember this negative comment I still think you should keep to yourself. Part 1. As the example seen, all my points are cowardice, and I calmly delete the angry subjective comment. I reference in part 2 of the same video title. It's best to form your own opinion, experience, and also develop how to expand critical thinking skills. Also be confident in yourself too. Hopefully you enjoy this video and find it valuable and educational. Have a good day.